Welcome to your horoscope for May 1st to 15th, 2025. If you're ready to make wise decisions, embrace growth, and live a peaceful yet fulfilling lifestyle, this is your cosmic guide. Let's explore how the stars are aligning to support your journey towards success, balance, and inner harmony. This period brings dynamic energy and opportunities for self-discovery, dear Leo. With the sun shining brightly in Taurus until mid-May, you'll feel grounded yet inspired to step into your power. Mercury retrograde may challenge communication at times, but it also invites you to reflect deeply and refine your path forward. Trust yourself. You have everything you need to thrive. Career and finances. In your career, expect recognition around May 3rd when Jupiter harmonizes with your ambitious spirit. This is a great time to showcase your talents, take on leadership roles, or pitch bold ideas. However, Mercury retrograde reminds you to double-check details before finalizing plans. Precision ensures success. Financially focus on practical investments rather than impulsive spending. Long-term planning now can lead to lasting stability and peace of mind. Relationships and social life. Your relationships flourish during this time, especially around May 7th when Venus amplifies charm and connection. Single Leos might meet someone who admires their confidence and charisma. For those in partnerships, prioritize quality time and heartfelt appreciation. It strengthens bonds and fosters harmony. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. They're essential for maintaining emotional balance and joy. Health and well-being. May invites you to prioritize self-care and recharge your energy. Around May 9th, the moon highlights the importance of rest and mindfulness. Channel your natural enthusiasm into healthy outlets like exercise, creative hobbies, or meditation. Listening to your body and setting boundaries helps maintain equilibrium. True peace comes from nurturing both your physical and mental well-being, personal growth, and spirituality. The second week of May encourages introspection and personal growth. Around May 12th, Mercury retrograde prompts you to revisit past goals or unresolved issues. Instead of seeing this as a setback, use it as an opportunity to gain clarity and tie up loose ends. Trust your intuition. It's guiding you toward choices that align with your highest good. Each step forward brings you closer to living authentically and peacefully. Shine bright, Leo. Leo, these 2 weeks are all about harnessing your natural confidence and creativity to navigate challenges and seize opportunities. Stay focused, stay true to yourself, and trust the process. You're building a foundation for lasting peace and fulfillment. The universe is cheering you on every step of the way.